Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today we're doing a side-by-side size comparison of the new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and the LG Stylo 4. Now this is a really interesting comparison here, really seeing them both side by side because the screens are very close in terms of the size. If you look at just straight screen to screen, the S10 Plus does have just a little bit more at the top here because it does go all the way to the edge. But the Stylo 4 is pretty darn close. Now, if we're comparing the bottom of the phone, obviously there is more bezel on the Stylo 4, but not that much more. So just interesting there. Overall, the Stylo 4 is a longer phone. You can see where the S10 stops, how the Stylo 4 keeps going just a little bit more. If we turn them sideways here, you can see profile-wise, you are getting a little bit more, just a hair more screen on that Stylo 4. The top there, it's so tiny, it's barely noticeable, but it's a tiny bit. All right, now one thing that's kind of hard to see from the vantage, but I can see it perfectly, is that, let's go ahead and clear up the focus on that so you can see it better, but the S10 Plus is actually thinner than the Stylo. The Stylo is quite bulky if you look at just the overall thickness of it, the depth. So there is that. Let's look at the back of the phone here. You do have that fingerprint on the back of the Stylo 4. You do have the in-display, in-screen fingerprint scanner on the S10 Plus. Triple camera versus a single camera there. And then just compare them straight up this way as well. There we go. So just a hair thicker on that Stylo 4. So anyway guys, this has been just a quick video. Wanted to just show you side by side the new S10 Plus next to the Stylo 4, and I gotta be honest, I mean, obviously the S10 is just a beautiful phone, beautiful screen, and those bezels, I mean, they're almost non-existent, but I don't think the Stylo 4 is too bad. I mean, you're getting almost the exact same, you know, screen size. Phone is a little bit bulkier, but I mean, we're talking almost an $800 price difference, so, you know, I don't know. You got to make your decision on which one you want better, but you know, if you just want a big screen, you may want to go with the Stylo 4. If you want obviously all the bells and whistles, then S10 Plus is your phone. So anyway, I hope you guys found this helpful. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if you like the video. Follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. And on the next screen, you'll see a green circle. Please click on that and subscribe to our new channel, Tech Made Easy, where you'll find a ton more content that we're kind of splitting between the two channels, so we don't want you to miss anything. So subscribe to that one too. Stay tuned and have a good one.